what they're going to be doing is they are going to be in about 27. So they're going to be skipping the year 26, and in the year 2027, they're going to be releasing a sort of hybrid version of the Lightning, which means they're going to be putting a gas engine in it and using that as a generator to power the electric powertrain. So what's significant about that is that it solves two problems that I was mentioning earlier. It allows more power and longevity for towing, and it allows further range. Now that you have a generator in there, you're going to have to fill it up with gas. Maybe not as much because it'll use the power from the EV, but you're going to have to power that with gas. So you're going to have to do that. Now you're also going to have to take that vehicle in for more maintenance because it's going to be a gas vehicle, sort of. So now that engine is going to need oil changes. And then the other thing that's going to do, I don't know this for sure because they didn't actually say this, but my assumption is that they're going to be putting that engine in the front, so that will get rid of the front trunk.